Hey everybody, T.O. from Art Geek Teaching. Today we're going to look at how to use your own photographs for reference in Midjourney. Coming up. Okay, first thing that we're going to do is pop over, or rather into Midjourney. So open Midjourney in Discord, and when you get there, you can see that we have this little plus sign here. Just click on the plus sign, hit upload file. Mine is in downloads, so easiest way for me to get to that I think is going to be a long way around because there's more than one downloads on here. And it should be that guy right there. Yep, just hit open. Now the next step, once it's in there, you're gonna have to click on it and then right click. Once it's open, you're going to right click and say copy image link. That's really important. You need that. Then go back down to your prompt / imagine and you're going to paste that in there, Control V, and then from there you're just going to put your prompt that you want in there. And so what I'm looking for first, I wanted to see if I could get something that was I could use for a painting like you see up here. But before I do that, I wanted to see if I could get a better photograph. And so I'm going to put in photorealism, pet photo, okay, I'm going to show you, not a leather coach, a leather couch. There's a couple ways to do this. I'm first going to run it just like this, and then we'll do it a different way as well. But let's go ahead and run this. Alright, let's take a peek at these. I'm going to open these up in browser. That's pretty good. Improved the photograph substantially. Again, I just took a little quick snapshot on my phone, and if I wanted to tweak these a little bit, like this one here is really close to my dog, and so yeah, she's got a red nose like that. The only thing is, this one is out of focus, it looks like. Maybe it's just not done rendering. This one looks good. So we could tweak that a little bit if we wanted to, but I think for me, I think it's good, and so we'll just move on down the road. And then let's run it another way. What we're going to do on this one is use image weight, and image weight is a way that you can use tell Midjourney how much you want it to look like the image that you have provided. And so you're going to just put in a space dash IW space, and you can go anywhere from 2.0, which is the highest, all the way down to 0.5. Alright, here's what happens if we use the image weight. You saw the last ones, and here's the new ones using image weight. You can see it's a much closer rendition of Gidget, of my dog. These are really close. The couch is much closer. So what I would do here, either 2 or 3, well, excuse me, 3 or 4, let's get back out of here. This one and this one would work great. So I'm going to just go ahead and up-res those. It would be number 2, and number 4. We'll go ahead and up-res number 4 as well. And then I could use those just like they are to come up with the beginning of a painting. So there you go. That is how you use your own photographs as a reference in Midjourney. That's it. Have a great day.